Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Soul GT Line 1.6L. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic with auto-shift transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.